Oi, wake up. Bro, it's literally like, I don't know, 7, 6, 5 something. You gotta get up. Come on. Don't make me hop out of the screen and slap the shit out of you. I'm just kidding. Hey. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oi. Fine. I'm calling Gon. Listener? Hello? Killua, I think she's already awake. She's just trying to spite you. Seriously? Yeah. Are you kidding? Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I'm not kidding. Smack her. What? No, I'm not gonna smack her. Get her up. I don't think I can do that. Look at her. She looks so peaceful. I guess. But our job is to be a frickin' ringtone. That's what we're gonna be. Get her up. Okay.